ربي أعوذ بك من همزات الشياطين وأعوذ بك ربي أن يحضرون. My Creator, Narsara, I seek refuge in you from the temptations of the shaitans, and I seek refuge in you, my Creator, Narsara, lest they be present with me. Today I am going to read from verse 27 of Surah Al-Ma'idah, the heavenly food. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. From verse 27. And recite you to them the report of the sons of Adam aright, when they offered an offering. It was accepted from the one and not accepted from the other. He said, I will kill you. Said he, Allah only accepts from the Allah-fearing. If you stretch out against me your hand to kill me, I will not stretch out my hand against you to kill you. Indeed, I fear Allah, the Creator Narsara of the worlds. I wish you to bear my sin and your sin, and to become of the companions of the fire, and that is the reward of the wrongdoers. And he so allowed him the killing of his brother, and he killed him, and became of the losers. Then Allah raised up a crow, scratching in the earth to show him how to hide the shame of his brother. He said, Woe is me! Am I not able to be as this crow and hide the shame of my brother? And he became of the remorseful. For that cause we decreed for the children of Israel that who takes a life other than a life, or corruption in the earth, it will be as if he killed mankind altogether. And who gives life, it will be as if he gave life to mankind altogether. And our messengers came to them with clear evidence. Then many of them after that are committers of excess in the earth. The reward but of those who war against Allah and His Messenger, and strive to spread corruption in the earth, that they be killed, or they be put to death upon a stake, or their hands and feet be cut off on alternate sides, or they be banished from the land, that they have degradation in this world, and they have in the hereafter a tremendous punishment. Save those who repent before you have power over them, and know that Allah is forgiving, merciful. O you who believe, save yourselves from displeasure of Allah, and seek to Him the means of approach, and strive in His way, that you might be successful. Indeed, those who disbelieve, were they to have what is in the earth altogether, and the like thereof with it, to ransom them from the punishment on the day of resurrection, it would not be accepted from them, and they have a painful punishment. They will wish to come out from the fire, but they are not to come out from it, and they have a lasting punishment. And the male thief and the female thief cut off their hand as a reward for what they have earned, as an exemplary punishment from Allah. And Allah is mighty wise. Then who repents after his injustice and does right, Allah will turn towards him. Allah is forgiving, merciful. Know you not that Allah, to him belongs the dominion of the heavens and the earth? He punishes who wants, and forgives who wants. And Allah is powerful over all things. O Messenger, let not grieve you those who compete in denial among those who say, "We believe," with their mouths, when their hearts have not believed. And among those who are Jews are eager listeners to lies, eager listeners to another people who have come not to you, twisting words from their places, saying, "If this be given you, receive it, but if it be not given you, beware." And whom Allah wishes to try, you will not have power for him against Allah in anything. Those are they whose hearts Allah has not desired to purify. They have in this world degradation, and they have in the hereafter a tremendous punishment. Eager listeners to lies, hearty consumers of illicit gain, and if they come to you, judge you between them, or turn you away from them. If you turn away from them, they could not harm you at all. But if you judge you between them with justice. Allah loves those who are just. But how can they appoint you judge when they have the Tawrat, wherein is the judgment of Allah, then turn away after that, and these are not believers? We sent down the Tawrat, wherein is guidance and light. The prophets judged by it, who submitted, the Jews, as did the men of Allah and the masters of divine knowledge, with what they were given charge of the book of Allah, and were thereto witnesses. So fear not people, but fear me, and sell not my identity for a cheap price. And who judges not by what Allah has sent down, then those are the disbelievers. And we ordained for them therein the life for the life, and the eye for the eye, and the nose for the nose, and the ear for the ear, and the tooth for the tooth, and for wounds just requital. But who forgives it by way of charity? It is an expiation for him. And who judges not by what Allah has sent down? These are the wrongdoers. And on their footsteps we sent Isa, son of Maryam, confirming what was before him of the Torah. And we gave him the Injil, wherein is guidance and light, and confirming what was between his two hands of the Torah, and as guidance and exhortation to those who are Allah fearing. And let the people of the Injil judge by what Allah sent down therein. And who judges not by what Allah has sent down, those are the defiantly disobedient. And we sent down to you the book aright, confirming what came before it of the book, and as a guardian over it. So judge you between them by what Allah sent down, and follow not their vain desires away from what has come to you of the truth. For each among you we appointed an ordinance and a procedure, and had Allah willed, He could have made you one community, but that He might try you in what He gave you. So raise to good. Unto Allah you will return all together, and He will inform you over which in it you would differ, and that you judge between them by what Allah has sent down, and follow not their vain desires. And beware you of them, lest they seduce you away from some of what Allah has sent down to you. And if they turn away, know you not that Allah but intends to afflict them for some of their transgressions, and indeed many among the people are defiantly disobedient. Is it the judgment of ignorance they seek? And who is better than Allah in judgment for people who are certain?